Well, hey everybody, it is Friday, 8th month, whatever that is. You know what month it is?
It's August 1.
Is it August 1?
It's August 1.
This heat has cooked my brain this summer. It's been a hot one. We were just closing up, finished up a nice, what did we close at? Like at a 10L, 11L, 15, nice ag tire, got him going in the, back to the hayfield. And then the phone rang and we are headed up to Oswego. We've got balance bin.
Howdy, fellas.
And we have I don't really know, it's an equipment trailer of some kind. It's a 235/80 R16. And he said he had she said she had a Bobcat on the top of it. And if they needed unloaded snow, we'll be just fine. So I think we were out in 15 minutes flat. I really think we were out in 15 minutes flat.
I think it was under
15 minutes flat and we're out. Like, that's really good. But we were already at the shop. We were kind of closing down for the day. And we were just headed out to go do what we want to go do. And then, well, phone ring. So we're rolling Oswego in 15 miles. We're rolling. Come on. Oh, and this is recorded on a GoPro. Like it, love it, hate it, let me know in the comments. Okay, we literally just landed on site. Ben's getting ready to do a Yakko maneuver here. Looks like they were probably running on some cheaper 10-ply tires, and that's what happens. It's not a good place to skip out here on good tires, kids, especially when you're hauling heavy equipment. But we're gonna put a good 16-ply on them. And we're going to get started here in just a second. Actually, as soon as Ben's ready to go right there. Need another block or?
Yeah, I think we had enough already.
No, we really should be wearing a safety vest.
Yeah.
Put a generous amount of pee in there, Mr. Graham. Just like an A6. Alright.
Pissing my life away.
Work it off like a big truck tire.
I'm thinking
tire works for me. I see nothing wrong with that strategy. I'll even get a little bit more helpful pee for you.
Yeah, whatever you can do with one hand.
Well, you know, it's hard to contact rate, you know. Oh, he lost it, ladies and gentlemen. That was no good a potato.
That's what I get for talking food.
You know, sometimes karma gets you later and sometimes it gets you sooner.
So this is what we brought you.
Must be far better than what you had. That's a 16-ply, and I bet you had 10s on there.
Yeah.
Flip that over. We're gonna get the stem out.
All right.
You got your knife on you? Or do you need to use one
Every day, all day.
What kind of knife is it, Mr. Graham?
It's a Cobra Tech.
Cobra Tech.
Made in Meridian, Texas.
What is it? As if you just learned that or something, or you make it up, or?
Oh no, I know. That's why I bought it.
Oh. Okay. You need a tire that's beside you?
Nope, I need the glove that's in your hand.
Is that for your prostate exam? Mr. Graham. It's a family-friendly show.
You're the one talking shit.
I got a rag right here.
I might use this, so.
Put that on your vice grip. I'll walk it out. Oh, that's a heck of a grab, Mr. Grab.
Look
That
at
might
that.
just be Do you need like a little blue pill or something to help you out with that? That seemed a little insufficient.
I like the yellow one.
Like the yellow one better? Well, you know, they both get the same job done. think you're still light on the tension there, sir. You're looking for a hammer? You want the little guy? Oh, the little guy might be at the shop. Might have to use big guy because it's what we got. Help you out a little bit there. But I am not a target. Couple more buddy whackets. There we go. That's what we were looking for. You wouldn't? You could, but you might be able to do it where you could sit on the tailgate and dare it up, Ben.
Might help.
Because every time I've known you that you're running this, I find you sitting on your buttock.
I like to sit down when I'm working.
Look at you lucky dog. Turn right up.
Here we see Ben in his natural habitat.
Oh boy. Well, that's not the right cap, but it's a metal cap. It'll do, don't keep. It's echo capped. See how balance Ben can do getting the tire on. Once he gets this on, I'm gonna have to put the camera down and get the invoice ready and everything. Don't forget to take the sticker off too, Ben. You're not gonna send it down the road with a sticker on, are you?
No, I was just waiting for the
It's on the bottom there. Now it's gonna be on the top right there. You wanna say it?
take the damn sticker off.
Hey Ben, you gotta give it to me. It's gotta go on the sticker pole.
Yeah, well I missed it.
Well, it's a pretty famous sticker pole now. It's become legendary in the circuit. Ben.
Where's that 150 guy?
I don't know.
It's not in the camera hand, I'll tell you that.
Ben. I put it on the sticker pole, kids. Oh, that one folded over on itself. There we go. On the sticker pole it goes.
Holy shit, he got a torque wrench and a torque stick.
Well,
in one hand.
And the little thingy bob.
Did you catch that? I put the cherry ammo out.
Well, that'll look good on the highlight reel. Okay, we got him done, got him wrapped up. He was pretty dang happy. Somebody was able to go get him off the road today. And we're happy to go do it, even though it's Friday. Shoot, the call came in like pretty much right at 5, so we were packing up, and I don't even know what time it is now. Doesn't even matter, but we're gonna go home and try and get a little something to eat. I think we had all the tools, didn't we?
We had everything we needed, and it's 6:45.
6:45, so you know, it is what it is. I don't know, probably some boys out there, they'd have done it before they even left the shop. You know, good for you. Right. We just do work, and we're glad for everybody tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And if you're still here, I genuinely appreciate it.
Balance Ben out.
Balance Ben out, he says. Let's go.